In the prime time news tonight, a gruesome discovery. Missing teacher found dead in Clarendon.
The body of what appeared to be a male lying on his abdomen was found in bushes.
Billions in counterfeit goods to be destroyed. And the Prime Minister Andrew Holness promises to review concerns raised about Bernard Lodge development.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Herman Green, well not Herman, Milton Walker has our preview.
Old habits die hard, Andrea. Yes, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the current government economic policy will remain in place even after the end of the IMF program. We'll tell you about that story.
Okay, thanks Milton. From Milton we go to Karen, who's at the sports desk with the latest happenings in the world of sports. Karen.
Thanks, Herman. Well, old rivalries will be renewed on June 5 in Washington when the Reggae Boys face a foe that deprived them of the Gold Cup in 2017. I will tell you all about that and more later.
And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, what more do you believe can be done to improve economic growth?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
Herman.